Hey Facebook,
Hey guys,
it's Renee,
and Carrie.
and we're gonna do a majorly altered rendition of Human Nature by Michael Jackson.
By the way, this is like a 100th take at 2:30 in the morning. Yeah, we have nothing else.
Like our fifth take. So enjoy. Looking out across the nighttime, the city winds a sleepless sigh. Hear her voice shake my window, sweet seducing sigh. Get me out into the nighttime, four walls can't hold me tonight. In this town, it's just inevitable, and let me take a bite. 'Cause they say why? Tell them that it's human nature. Why? Why do you do me that way? They say why? Tell them that it's human nature. Why do you do me that way? Why do you do me that way? Do me that way? Do me that way? Do me that way? Why do you do me that way? Do me that way? Do me that way? I came to win. When the sun shines, to conquer, to thrive, I came to win. Survive, to prosper, to rise. Everybody wanna try and box me in, suffocating every time it locks me in. Paint their own pictures and they crop me in, but I will remain where the top begins. 'Cause I am not a word, I am not a line, I am not a girl that could ever be defined. I am not fly, I am levitation. I represent an entire generation. I had a criticism loud and clear. That's how I know that the time is clear. See, we become alive in a time of fear, and I really got no time to spare. Cry my eyes out for days upon days. Such a heavy burden is placed upon me. But we go hard, you days become near. The Yankee Stadium with Jay and Kanye. Fly, to fly, to fly, to fly. Tell them that it's human nature. Why do you do me that way? It's Renee and Carrie making that face.
Can I introduce myself? Hi guys, it's me, Carrie.
Oh, let's start over. Hey Facebook, it's Renee.
And Carrie.
Hey Facebook,
Hi guys.
it is 2:19 in the morning.
2:19.
Okay, it's Renee and Carrie, and we are going to Hey Facebook.
Hola. ¿Cómo estás?
Bonjour. Okay.
I know what I just say though.
Hey Facebook, it's Renee and Carrie.
Hi guys.
Okay, and we're about to do a majorly
This
altered.
is Teddy.
Enjoy. Tell us what you think.
Not really. You go back on this.
What?
Let's go.
What'd she say?
Nothing.
Okay.